Good morning, day 45. Just finished up the morning shower, no lift today. Looking like 5 to 6 mile run later, maybe 7, depending on how I'm feeling. But let's go attack the day. Alrighty, jumping straight into it. We have a little mile warm up right now, and then we're gonna do a 5 mile run, so 6 miles in total today. And then we're gonna head out later with the boys at Cody's house and get a little crunk. We're shooting for a lighter day today. No lifting today. It's our rest day for that. So we want to take a proper rest day. You know what I'm saying? So we're not gonna shoot for anything below 7-minute average mile for each thing. Yeah, I'm excited. 1 mile down, and I'm honestly feeling a lot better now that I'm on the run. Truth be told, I was a little unmotivated, but that's when the discipline kicked in. And you know, I'm glad we're out here. 2 miles down, that's 3 miles left. That's basically a standard race. That's easy. 3 miles down, just turned around to the 2.5 mark because I definitely need to change the scenery, because running the same thing every day just absolutely bores me to death. So this is what we're doing. Super windy, feels nice, but there's like wind resistance, so just give and take. It's all transactional. 4 miles down, 1 left. I'm feeling just peachy. On all this dirt, all this sod. I'm really in touch with my natural side, my natural instincts. That's gonna wrap the run up. 5 miles complete at, I think it was 38 minutes and 30 something seconds. Easy, you know. You gotta take advantage of these beautiful days. Like, not a cloud in the sky. So how many of those are you gonna get when the real season kicks in and it's fall and it's cloudy and rainy? So make sure you're putting your work in. I did bring the camera to the hangout. We are heading straight for a clip farm, one might say. So I mean, why not, right? If I'm gonna put them in a thumbnail anyways. Gang, we made it to the Dobush household, and since Cody hates it when the commoners park on his driveway, we parked like a mile away, so it'll be a nice walk. Look who decided to show up.
Why are you standing like that?
Meanwhile, I've been here for 30 minutes waiting for these clients. That's not true.
We've got so much
we've got dessert. I see that.
We've got a lot, actually.
Hungry,
We were just picking anything that looked good.
We got the big con working on the spike ball. Joe, you don't. Well, I can't record anymore. Everyone, we got some spike ball running up in here. You know, it's a it's a classic.
Oh my God! What are you doing? The game is going on. Are you ready? When he goes over, it's like me. I know those songs. Thanks, Cody.
No, it's 14.
Oh no, yeah, you're right. It's 4-4. 4-4.
Good night.
On you.
Delete that, please delete that. Someone please let Sam stop trying to hit it on the map.
Oh, look at that! Good job.
Oh, like 3 hits, Such as well.
Push on that pocket.
Review the film.
15-12. It wasn't as cool the second time I did it.
was no rip.
That was real.
No rip pocket.
No, that was real. Thank you.
It wouldn't have rolled like that. No, that's being a nice guy.
I heard it.
What?
I heard it.
I know he gets
No, rip?
Yeah.
You're playing.
Yeah, so
Okay, so beautiful setup, but bad payoff. Cody setting up the Campfire.
What?
We got some Drizzy
He got
playing.
this car apparently.
It's pretty fire. Literally, it's a pretty fire. Cody, that's too much smoke. That's too much smoke.
They wouldn't even fucking hurt.
Yeah, I'm not
do
sure.
it.
I'm not sure why this isn't doing anything. I really thought this bonfire would be cooler. This Campfire.
Wait, it's on fire!
Now that would have been less funny. Everyone is stand back. Oh my gosh. Cody.
And he cheats to start the fire.
This really is who I want to grow old with right here, right? Now this bonfire is pretty rad though. Cody finally got it to work. Ladies, he's free.
damn right.
Oh, go, dude. Oh. And you're out of focus. Try again.
Well, I want to try again.
Okay, ho. Wait, Daddy.
Run, rabbit, run with the fellas.
Run, rabbit, go.